Model 2014 Volkswagen Caddy C20 Startline 1.6 TDI starts runs oil pressure light on needs repair no VAT. Body white panel van. Mileage 148765. MOT the 24th of September 2025. Engine 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102 PS. Transmission 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a rattle from the top end, oil light on the dash. This may repair with just an oil pump replacement. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: aircon, electric windows, 2 keys, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401119973.